Hello, fellow stampers. We thank you for joining us and letting us share with you today. I am here in Spruce Grove, Alberta, Canada, and with me is Faye from Prince George, BC, Canada. We have a few things to share with you today regarding the join promotion that's now happening with Stampin' Up. So I will pass it over to Faye and let her share with you.
Thanks, Marilyn. Again, I'm Faye Mcguire. I'm from Prince George, BC. I joined as a demonstrator 8 years ago, under Marilyn, of course. I met Marilyn when I moved from BC to Alberta. I went on the Stampin' Up demonstrator find, and lo and behold, demonstrator lived approximately 2 blocks away from me. Yes, it was Marilyn. I started going to her classes. I enjoyed meeting new people. And then 2 years later, we had the opportunity to move back to BC. Marilyn and I kept in contact, and she was diligent in sending me specials and join offers. It was then I decided to join with no shipping or taxes. Besides this, I was getting sneak peeks and purchase options of specials before customers. I really enjoyed that. I enjoyed being a part of the Stampin' Up crafters. I like I can do as little or as much as I want as a demonstrator. So if this appeals to you, I would love for you to join my Stampin' with Faye team, and you will receive all these benefits plus the kit that costs $135. You pick $165 worth of products, and the bonus gift is a beautiful planner. Isn't that for you?
Thanks, Faye. That was great.
You're welcome.
Basically the same for me. I will just try doing this one. Whoops, got Faye there. There we go. Now you can see me. I am Marilyn Wagner, Spruce Grove. I joined Stampin' Up 15 years ago next month, so watch for my special that's coming out to do with that. I'm hoping to offer something unique to my team, my group, everybody out there in the Stampin' Up world for the month of September. So I'm working on it. As Faye mentioned, Stampin' Up has various join offers, sometimes 2-3 times a year, but always the best deal if you have an order of over $135 is the join one. There is no obligation whatsoever to do anything after you have joined. Once you get your kit, you can continue buying for the first 3 months and get 20% off at least. So if something like that appeals to you, as Faye mentioned earlier, I'd love to have you join my team. And from anywhere in Canada, we can accommodate you. We do Zoom meetings, we do classes, and we just have a great time having fun together. So if you're looking for more information on that, in the current Sale-A-Bration catalog, and I'm trying to get the right direction here, at the very back is the join offer. So you can read all about it there, and there is the planner that Faye mentioned. You get a planner, you get a stamp set, oops, going the wrong way, to do with it as well. So you can't lose. We have team members who actually join, and after their their qualifying period is over and they just can't afford to keep going at the required amount each month, they drop, it's called, but virtually my one team member keeps saying, you kicked me out. Well, really, I didn't. It's Stampin' Up's rules, and you drop. And she can join me as long as she joins my team again. She can join the very next day, the first of the next month. So it's a wonderful company to work for. Their return policies are great. They're always there to support you. And we just love it. One of my favorite things with it has been the color coordination. No matter what you get, your ink, your refill, your markers, your blends, your cardstock are all going to match. So there's no more of this running to the local store down the street to see if you can get colors to match or go with your things. So as Faye mentioned earlier, and I did too, please join us. We would love to have you as part of our team. If you need to reach us, you've seen the scrolling across the bottom where our website is, but you can also try us on any of the social media. If you're following this, you will have access to our links to reach out and keep in touch with us. So anything else, Faye?
Nope, that's everything. Very well said.
Okay. We hope to see lots of you very soon. Take care now.
Bye.